Have you ever wondered how the International Space Station works? The International Space Station, or ISS, is a marvel of modern engineering and science, a beacon of global unity that orbits our planet every 90 minutes. It's a testament to the power of collaboration, with 15 nations coming together to build and operate this spacefaring outpost. The ISS serves as a home where astronauts live and work, a unique laboratory for scientific research, and a platform for observing our Earth. But it's more than just a space station. It's a symbol of humanity's quest for knowledge, our innate curiosity about the universe we inhabit, and our resilience in overcoming technological challenges. The science and engineering behind the ISS are nothing short of extraordinary. Every system, every component, every piece of equipment is designed and built with meticulous precision to ensure the safety and productivity of the astronauts aboard. So let's delve into the fascinating world of the ISS and explore how it operates in the vast expanse of space. Building the ISS was no ordinary construction project. It was a testament to international cooperation, a grand ballet of engineering prowess and precision, played out in the unforgiving vacuum of space. This colossal feat was realized through the collaboration of 15 nations, under the administration of 5 space agencies: NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. The construction saga began in 1998 with the launch of the first module, Zarya. Zarya, meaning sunrise in Russian, was fittingly the dawn of this ambitious project. Built by Russia and funded by the United States, Zarya served as the cornerstone, providing propulsion, attitude control, and power during the initial stage of assembly. Following Zarya came Unity, the first American contribution to the ISS. Launched in December of the same year, Unity, aptly named, symbolized the international collaboration at the heart of the ISS project. It served as a connecting passageway to living and working areas of the station. Over the next 2 decades, the station grew, piece by piece, module by module, into the football field-sized behemoth we know today. Each new addition, whether a laboratory, living quarters, or solar panels, was flown into space aboard a rocket and then meticulously attached to the existing structure. The construction process wasn't without its challenges. Delays, technical issues, and the sheer logistics of coordinating an international project of this scale were immense. But the result is a state-of-the-art orbiting laboratory, constantly revolving around our planet. Today, the ISS continues to evolve. New modules are still being added, expanding the capabilities of this unique research platform. The station, now operational for over 2 decades, stands as a shining beacon of what can be achieved when we set aside our differences and work towards a common goal. The construction of the ISS is a testament to what humanity can achieve through global cooperation. It's an engineering marvel, a symbol of unity, and a beacon of scientific discovery. The International Space Station truly is a triumph of human endeavor. Now, let's venture into the inner workings of the ISS. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a bit like a house whizzing around the Earth at a staggering 17,500 miles per hour. But how exactly does this celestial marvel maintain its orbit? The ISS doesn't have engines pushing it forward, so it relies on the Earth's gravity to keep it in a constant state of free fall. This creates the sensation of weightlessness for those on board, even as the station is perpetually pulled toward Earth. So that's how the ISS stays aloft, but how does it generate power? The answer is simple: sunlight. The ISS is equipped with 4 pairs of solar arrays that fan out from its backbone like wings. These arrays convert sunlight into electricity, powering everything from life support systems to scientific equipment. When the station is in Earth's shadow, it relies on battery power stored during the daylight hours. Now, keeping the astronauts alive in the harsh vacuum of space is no small feat. The ISS is equipped with a life support system that regulates the station's atmosphere, removing carbon dioxide and other waste gases while introducing oxygen and nitrogen. This system also controls temperature and humidity, creating a comfortable living environment for the crew. Speaking of the crew, they play a crucial role in maintaining the station. From fixing broken equipment to conducting scientific experiments, the astronauts are the heart and soul of the ISS. They work, sleep, exercise, and even grow their own food in a confined space, making the ISS a self-sustaining microcosm of life on Earth. The ISS is not just a spaceship, it's a complex machine, a science laboratory, and a home to astronauts from around the world. It's a testament to human ingenuity, demonstrating what we can achieve when we reach for the stars. The ISS is truly a marvel of modern engineering, functioning seamlessly in the hostile environment of space. The ISS is not just a feat of engineering, but also a floating laboratory. It's a realm of scientific exploration where astronauts are not just space travelers, but also researchers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The International Space Station serves as a unique platform for scientific research, offering an environment that Earth-bound laboratories simply can't replicate. Microgravity. This absence of gravity allows for experiments that would be impossible on our home planet. Let's delve into the various fields of research conducted on the ISS, starting with biology. Microgravity affects living organisms in unexpected ways, leading to fascinating discoveries. For example, scientists have found that bacteria behave differently in space, which has significant implications for long-duration space travel and our understanding of these microscopic organisms. Next, we have the field of human health. Astronauts on the ISS help us understand how prolonged exposure to space conditions affects the human body. This research is not just beneficial for future space explorers, but it also provides valuable insights into human health here on Earth. From studying bone density loss to changes in vision and other physiological changes, the knowledge gained from these studies has broad applications. In the arena of physics and chemistry, the ISS allows for experimentation in a whole new light. Without the interference of gravity, scientists can study phenomena such as fluid dynamics and combustion in ways not possible on Earth. And let's not forget about astronomy. The ISS provides an unobstructed view of the cosmos, free from the atmospheric interference experienced on Earth. This has led to groundbreaking research in fields like cosmology, stellar astronomy, and the study of cosmic rays. The beauty of research on the ISS is that it's a collaborative effort. Scientists from around the world contribute to this body of knowledge, sharing discoveries and advancements that benefit us all. The research conducted on the ISS continues to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It's a shining example of how space exploration is not just about reaching new frontiers in the cosmos, but also about deepening our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Like any ambitious project, the ISS has faced its share of challenges. One of the greatest hurdles is maintenance. Orbiting at an average of 250 miles above Earth, the International Space Station isn't exactly a quick trip for a repair crew. The harsh conditions of space mean that systems degrade over time and need to be replaced or repaired. Astronauts aboard the ISS must become jack-of-all-trades, performing everything from fixing leaks to replacing parts of the station's life support systems. Then, there's the issue of funding. Operating the ISS costs billions of dollars each year. Several countries contribute to these costs, but as budgets tighten, the future financial support for the ISS is uncertain. However, the station's unique environment for conducting research that cannot be done anywhere else on Earth continues to justify its operation. Another significant challenge is space debris. Tiny fragments of satellites and other space junk orbit the Earth at incredibly high speeds, posing a threat to the ISS. While the station has shields and can maneuver to avoid larger pieces, the risk remains. Despite these challenges, the future of the ISS and space exploration is promising. With plans to extend the station's life until at least 2030, the ISS will continue to serve as a beacon of international cooperation and scientific advancement. But the ISS won't be the end of our journey. The space agencies of the world are already working on successor projects. NASA's Lunar Gateway, a small spaceship that will orbit the Moon, providing a jumping-off point for lunar surface missions and deeper space exploration, is one such project. China also has plans to establish its own space station. These future projects will take what we've learned from the ISS and apply it to new frontiers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and capabilities. Though challenges exist, the future of space exploration and research remains bright. Living in space is not an everyday experience. It's a unique blend of work, play, and survival that's unlike anything we know on Earth. Let's take a look at how astronauts live on the International Space Station. Their day is carefully structured to make the most of their time in space. Astronauts typically have a strict schedule, with 8 hours for sleep, 2 hours for exercise, and the rest for work. Exercise is crucial in the microgravity environment of the ISS to prevent muscle atrophy and bone loss. Now let's talk about food. Gone are the days of freeze-dried ice cream. Today's astronauts enjoy a variety of pre-packaged meals, including everything from shrimp cocktail to chocolate pudding cake. Of course, these meals are carefully balanced to provide the right amount of nutrients. Drinking water is also a unique experience, as it comes in a bag and is sipped through a straw to prevent it from floating away. After a long day of work and exercise, astronauts do get some leisure time. They can watch movies, read books, play musical instruments, and even make video calls to their families back on Earth. Staying connected with loved ones is important for their mental well-being. Living on the ISS is a unique experience that requires adaptability and resilience. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless possibilities of space exploration. From waking up to floating breakfasts, working on groundbreaking research, to gazing at the Earth from the cupola window, life on the International Space Station is truly out of this world. From its orbit high above the Earth, the International Space Station has not only served as a home for astronauts, but also played a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of space exploration. Let's dive into how the ISS has been instrumental in shaping the future of space travel. Firstly, the ISS acts as a stepping stone for future space missions. It provides a platform to conduct long-duration missions, helping us understand how humans can live and work in space for extended periods. These insights are critical as we plan for more ambitious journeys, such as manned missions to Mars. Secondly, the ISS has been a beacon of international cooperation. It's a collaborative project between NASA, Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. This extensive collaboration has fostered a sense of global unity and set a precedent for future international space missions. Thirdly, the ISS serves as a test bed for new technologies and systems vital for space travel. From life support systems to communication technologies, many innovations have been tested on the ISS before they're trusted for deep space missions. In conclusion, the International Space Station continues to pave the way for future space exploration. It's more than just a space lab or a home for astronauts. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit to explore the final frontier. As we continue to learn from the ISS, we take one step closer to turning science fiction into science fact. We've journeyed through the marvel that is the International Space Station. Starting from its construction, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration, we've seen how this unique space laboratory operates in the harsh environment of space. We dived into the world of scientific research conducted aboard the ISS, from biology to astronomy, and got a glimpse into the daily life of astronauts living and working in this zero-gravity home. We've also seen the ISS's profound impact on space exploration, serving as a stepping stone for future missions, a beacon of international cooperation, and a test bed for new technologies. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The International Space Station continues to inspire and pave the way for future space adventures. It's a symbol of our relentless pursuit to explore the final frontier and understand our place in the universe. As we continue to learn from the ISS, we take one step closer to turning science fiction into science fact. So until next time, keep exploring the wonders of space, and remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.